Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the November 2023 Winter Wonderland themed charm box by Daily Charm. I am super excited about this because I have been eyeing this box for a while, and this is my very first charm box, very first purchase from Daily Charm altogether. And I was pretty upset with myself because I went to go order it and sign up for the subscription. I realized I missed the deadline by 2 days, but I reached out to their customer support team to see if I could still get the box, and they did let me know that they still have some available, and I was able to order the box separately outside of the subscription. So I do believe they still have some available, but you definitely want to hop on it if you want to get it, because I understand that these boxes do sell out. So don't wait like I did. Jump on it while you can. So this first item here is super cute. I actually saw in the photos that they had these pictured in like a white or ivory. But when I got this like deep brown olive color, I was super pumped because this is like within my clothing color scheme. So, but they're cute little hand or wrist warmers. You can also use them for photos if you photograph your nail sets. I thought that was a really cool addition to the box. Nice little surprise. And next we have some stickers. I always love getting nail stickers, especially if they're in gold, and these are in gold. But these are some really nice, delicate snowflakes. You'll see there's some like dangling snowflakes as well. There's some words also, like holiday themed words on those. And this next set of stickers, I apologize, you can't really see them. Here I'm showing you, but it's like, what are we looking at? But these are cool because this is like that airbrushed effect with snowflakes. So there's like little airbrushed circles with snowflakes in the center. So I don't have an airbrush tool. I do not like using sponges, so I thought that was super neat. Stickers just make everything so easy. And this is a Christmas card, just kind of a nice little added bonus. And I think you can like take the pieces out for the card and like put them together to make a little Christmas tree, like a stand-up Christmas tree. And this next item here is actually it's like a holographic crinkle mylar paper. I thought this was foil at first, but then I looked at the card and saw that it wasn't. So you can like cut that up and use it for encapsulation, something like that. This next item here is foil. Here I'm debating whether or not to take it out to show you because the static situation is always crazy, but I felt like I should, because you couldn't really tell exactly what it looked like from within the package. But this is super cute. You can overlay this over any color and nice white snowflakes. And this next foil I thought was really cool. At first when I saw this, my brain said disco ball, but now it kind of reminds me of like Christmas lights in the background of a picture, like kind of blurred out. Not sure if I'll put it to use yet, but I kind of want to challenge myself to put together some fun holiday sets that maybe are outside of what I typically do. So we'll see, I might just pull that one out. And next we have some charms and rhinestones. So this first set of charms, I love these. Well, one, they're gold. I love gold. But these are like 4-pointed stars, like a set of 2 4-pointed stars. There are some crystals in them as well. And then there's also a little dangly 4-pointed star. I love it when there are charms that are super elegant and have that little dangling piece. Really jazzes up a nail set. I feel like any sort of dangling charm makes you feel extra sassy, and I like that. Next, we have some really pretty rhinestone crystals that are star-shaped. As you can see, these have a really nice crystally blue, like icy blue color to them. Super sparkly. These might be a little bit on the bulky side. They're pretty thick because the back of them is kind of rounded, but as you can see, they're pretty small. So I don't think, I'd have to worry about it bulking up a nail set too much. Those were super pretty. And this next item is an assortment of some metal accents, both in silver and gold. So we have some stars in here as well as snowflakes. So these are obviously perfect for a holiday. And as you can see, they're super small. So it just perfect for that little accent that you want to add to a nail set. And here we have another assortment of charms. And I love these. These were super cute. So again, we have both the silver and gold mix. And these are very holiday themed. So we get some wreaths, some candy canes, some reindeer. Also very, very small and dainty. So great for that little accent that you want to add. Next, we have some glitters. So this first one I thought had an amazing color. At first I thought, oh, well, I've gotten this type of glitter before. I opened it and I felt like it had this really, really cool blue hue to it. And I actually looked at the card afterwards and saw that it's actually glow in the dark as well, which I thought was super neat. I do not have a glitter like that. So definitely I'm going to try to incorporate that into a nail set somehow. This next set of glitters, also really pretty. It's like a gold holographic mix, has some 4-pointed stars in there. I do see these a lot during the holiday season. Not sure yet if I'll actually keep this or if I'll add it to my giveaway pile, just because I don't use glitters all that much. And this next item here, I didn't open it up because I noticed that it was packed to the brim and I didn't want it to go spilling all over the place. But this is a super, super fine glitter. And I feel like this is perfect for that, sweater effect that you want to do where you use some fine powder or glitter on top to get that textured effect. Love this next item because I have been looking for some sets of chains to use, and for some reason I'm just not having a lot of luck. So I love that this came in the set. We get both silver and gold in this. Obviously I'll probably gravitate towards the gold, but it's also nice to have a silver. But I was really excited to get that item just because I've been looking for something like that. Also super excited about this next item. This is an assortment of pearls, but they have very unique shapes to them. So there are some moons, some stars, we have some like little rectangles, diamond shapes, all sorts of shapes, which I felt like was pretty unique, especially with the pearl. So very excited about that one. I don't use pearls a lot, but I will definitely find a way to use those. This next item, I think, is a newer item by Daily Charme, and it's their 2-in-1 cuticle oil. So the 2-in-1 is because you can use it as a cuticle oil, but then also use it as like a roll-on perfume. This honestly had a really great smell to it. And what I like about it is that it uses essential oils. So it's a mix of different essential oil scents, but it doesn't come off as super essential oily. So it does kind of have, the blend ends up having this perfume-like smell to it. Also a great nail oil. I did try it after unboxing, had a great feel to it and definitely a great smell. So I was excited about that one because I feel like you get a lot of nail oils, but this one definitely stood out. And for the last couple items here, we have the gel polishes that we're getting in this box. They're both Twinkle Flash gels. This first one is H60 in Snow Angel. And it's a really pretty soft white color. Definitely perfect for the holiday season. I feel like the name is perfect. It sums it up quite nicely. And this next one here is H96 in Space Odyssey. And I felt like this color was super unique. I don't have anything like it. It's a really, really vibrant aqua. Like it's in between like a teal and a blue. But yeah, this is great if you want to do kind of like a snowy or icy winter set. I can also see myself utilizing this in the summer as well. All right, and now onto the swatching. So again, this is the H60 in Snow Angel. And this is the first time I've ever purchased anything from Daily Charme. So I haven't tried, this is the first time I'm trying their gels. I definitely was impressed with the formula. I felt like it wasn't too runny. It's not too thin, but it's also not too thick. I feel like with this, you wouldn't have to be really concerned about it flooding the cuticle walls or anything like that. And this color was really pretty. I feel like definitely 2 coats is going to be needed. As you can see, it's not like full coverage, but you do get really nice coverage with the 2 coats. You can't see much of the sparkle here, but you know, with these twinkle or reflective glitter type gels, you know, once you go outside, the sparkle is definitely there. And now swatching the H96 in Space Odyssey. And here you can see what I'm talking about. Very, very vibrant aqua color. Even with 1 coat, I just love the look of this. And like I said, I could see this also being used in the summertime. Like this would be a great color for like a mermaid themed set or a beach themed set. Really love this one. And here I'm doing a 2nd coat just so you can see what that looks like. As you can see, the tone of that blue gets a little bit deeper and richer. And again, you're not really getting the full glitter effect, but I just know that, you know, once I were to set foot outside with this color, it will shine. So there you have it. These are all of the items that you get within the November 2023 Winter Wonderland Charm Box. Definitely was impressed with this. I cannot wait to get more charm boxes in the future. I just really love the quality of all the items, and I felt like everything really fit within the theme, which I really appreciate. As I mentioned, I just missed the window to get this box through signing up for the subscription. So when you purchase the box separately as a standalone item, it's $59. But when you get it through the subscription, it's $49. So you do get a bit of a deal when signing up for the subscription versus purchasing the boxes separately. Also, I have heard that these boxes do sell out. I feel like I lucked out by having it still available. And again, I think they still have some available. So if you've been thinking about getting it, want to get your hands on one, I would suggest doing that right away before they sell out. And then also, if you want to sign up for the bi-monthly subscription, if you sign up between now and December 31st, that will put you in the queue for their next box that ships out January 1st, which is their Valentine's themed box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you feel like it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on my channel. I hope everyone out there is having a lovely day, and just remember to slow down and enjoy the nail art.